Hi everyone, this is Leah from SharePoint Sapiens speaking, and I'm very happy to share this video on our most important updates in the new version of the event management and employee training app. It is now possible to edit your form directly in the events list. Let me explain. You do not need to go to the list settings anymore in order to add, remove, or edit columns. You can do that directly in your event, training, curriculums, or topic. Last but not least, you can also save the form and apply it to all your events and future events, or you can save the form only for one specific item. The feature is available and works the same on both solutions, meaning on event management and on the employee training management apps. But now, let's see how it looks in action. For this purpose, I created a charity run in the event management app. It is exactly the same in the event management or in the employee training management app, so keep watching. When I open my event or my training, I will see the columns that I already filled in. In that case, I already entered a lot of data. But there are still some columns I would like to remove or to edit and add. Now, in the new version, I can click on the Edit Form button located on the right side of my form, and I will enter the design mode. In the design mode, I can add or remove columns or change the column order without leaving my event and without going to the list settings. So let's see which column I would like to remove. I would like to remove the reminder, so for that I just click on the remove field and it will disappear. I would like to remove the resources, and I don't need to add a link in my form, so I will remove that field as well. Now, let's say I would like to move one column, and I would like to put this column up in the form. I will just need to click on the Move Field button, and I will just scroll up here. When I'm done with that, I can save my form. A box will open and ask you if you would like to change the form just for this item, meaning for this event or training, or if you would like to apply it to all your items. In that case, it is just for my charity event, so I will just click on just for this item and click on Save Form Change. Here you go, the new form is saved and updated the way I wanted to have it. But now let's say that I would like to add a column after updating my form. This is not a problem. I can open the event again, click on Edit Form, scroll down and click on the plus sign where I can add then a column. Let's say I would like to add a link. Once I added the column, I can of course move the column up if I prefer to have it on another place, and I will save my form again. And now let's talk about the second great update we offer in the new version, a better management and creation of the enrollment form. Basically, an enrollment form allows you to get information from your participants upon enrollment. It is a very useful tool for organization purposes if you need to know anything in advance. One of the common examples would be, for instance, to have a menu choice selected or a flight number entered if you need to book a transfer. With our new update, it is now possible to create and modify enrollment form directly in your item. Let's have a look at that now. I already added the column enrollment form in my list, and now I will click on Edit, and I have the possibility either to select an enrollment form which already exists, or I can create one, or I can manage my enrollment form. Let's have a look at my saved enrollment form. I have flight number and menu. That's not what I want. In that case, for my charity run, I would like to know the t-shirt size of my participants. So let's click on Create Enrollment Form, add a title, open the enrollment form in a new window. Here you are. I click on the plus sign and I can add a new column. So let's say the name of my column would be select your t-shirt size. I will display it as a choice. I can enter the choice, let's say S, M, and L. I prefer to display it as radio buttons, but that's personal. Everyone can customize it the way they would like to, and I will click on OK. Now I have my select your t-shirt size column ready, and let me add a new column because I would also like to request in advance how many kilometers my users would like to register for. I will also select a choice button, and let's put 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, and 15 kilometers. Again, radio button, and OK. So now I have my enrollment form for my charity run with 2 information I request in advance. When I'm finished, I can click on Publish, close this page. Do not forget to save it again. And here it is. My enrollment form is added to my event. And now let's register to the charity event. I will go to the charity run for attendees. Click on Enroll. Select my t-shirt size and the number of kilometers I would like to run, and click on Save. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any question, just contact us via email or on LinkedIn. We are always happy to help you. Have a great day and see you soon.